Good morning children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we discuss about the continue part of the lesson expert detectives. So Maya was list out the things that she has to detect the information about Mr. Nath. So she thinks that he was criminal. So he make a list that first point is she said he had another name. So she has to find out the another name of Mr. Nath. Next point, he was mad and strange person and then he was not close to anyone. Next, third point, he was not talking with others. So he was very unfriend man. Next, fourth point, he doesn't receive any letters from anyone. So these 4 points are we discussed in the last class. Next, fifth, he has been living in room 10 of Shankar house for more than a year, I continued. Number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. Number 7, the kids in Shankar house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. Number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacled, fair, fat man who visits him on Sundays for lunch. Next, number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything, Savan? Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All he could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. A brilliant thought occurred him just then. That man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice in crime, I said. Maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner, Mr. Nath, for expenses. That's it, I am sure I am right. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya, said Nishad angrily. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. So next, Maya is point out every Sunday he had only one visitor who has spectacled, fair and fat man. So he was also take a lunch with him. So this is the point. And then sixth is he doesn't work anywhere. He was simply sitting in his room only. So sixth point is he doesn't work anywhere. He's simply sitting in the room. Next, seventh one, neighboring kids of Shankar's house, and then some elder people are scared off because of his marks on the face and a thin appearance. So small children very scared of him because he has a mark on the face and then he was thin appearance. He was a starving. So they think that he was thin because he was starving. So they are very scared of him. Next, then every Sunday he had only one visitor. So he had only one friend who has spectacled, fair and fat man, and then he also take a lunch with him. So next Maya told point number 9, daily he brought the food and tea by Ramesh, taken from the downstairs restaurant. So daily he was not care about his food, okay. He immediately gave bill and then tips for Ramesh. So after all completing the list, she was asked to Nishad, anything else has to be right. Then she forgot to written something. So after all completing the list, she was asked to Nishad. So anything else she forgotten to write. Then Maya told to readers Nishad was not paying much of interest on what she would say him, but he was said means Nishad was said to Maya, Mr. Nath was a poor man. So Nath was a poor man. So he must be leave because he don't have any friends. So he must be leave alone. So suddenly Maya shouted at him because and then she scolded him as an idiot because she told he was a criminal. So he insisted him to he was a criminal. So how can criminals have a friends? She asked to 7. But Nishad told to Maya at least he have one friend who visit every Sunday. But Nishad told to him he have a one friend at least he visits him every Sunday, then also take lunch with him. But suddenly Maya was acting, she could find out something. She says the every Sunday visiting man was also the partner in the crime. So she said to Nishad, the tall man, he was also the partner in the crime. So she thinks that he could be kept a loot of treasure in anywhere. So he comes every Sunday to give some part of it. Okay. To Mr. Nath. So she was argued, she was right. Then Nishad told to Maya, you could insist him as a criminal. I don't want to discuss with you anything, Maya. So Nishad was very sad because every time Maya was insisting Mr. Nath was a criminal, so that he was not able to discuss anything with Maya. So Nishad said like that. Next, so he told he does not like to talk with Maya. So the next part will continue in the next children. Thank you.